Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Google account is signed in, the billing address matches the card, and the card is active. Next, make sure your device date and time are correct. Mismatches cause declines. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Store, force stop it, then clear cache. Now reopen Play Store and attempt the purchase again. This immediate retry often resolves temporary authorization hiccups and lets you see a specific error code. If the retry fails, remove and re-add the payment method. You can also add a different card or use Google Pay. Check with your bank for 3D secure prompts or holds and confirm international or online purchase limits. Banks often block unfamiliar transactions. Next, update Google Play services and the Play Store app. Outdated services block token exchange. Also disable any VPN, proxy, or root-related patches. Those interfere with Play Store authentication. Once fixed, attempt checkout again to force a fresh authorization. To finish, sign out of your Google account, reboot the device, and sign back in. This refreshes auth tokens and often clears lingering errors. If charges are still declined, contact your bank to clear pending authorizations or holds, and review your Google Payment Center for alerts or disputes. Finally, switch networks. Try mobile data versus Wi-Fi to rule out network blocks. If none of that works, file a Play Store support case with the exact error code and timestamp. That gets you a targeted resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.